Why does preventative maintenance matter more than emergency repairs? Preventative maintenance matters because it finds small problems early, before they become expensive, dangerous, and disruptive emergencies. Preventative maintenance means checking, cleaning, and repairing parts of a home on a regular schedule instead of waiting for something to break. For example, replacing a dirty air filter can help a heating and cooling system work better and avoid extra strain on its motor. Cleaning gutters helps rainwater move away from the house, which can reduce leaks, wood damage, and foundation problems. Small cracks, loose wires, dripping pipes, or unusual noises are warning signs that should not be ignored. Emergency repairs usually cost more because they may happen at night, during weekends, or when several damaged parts must be fixed at once. A useful fact many people do not know is that moisture can stay hidden behind walls for a long time, allowing mold and structural damage to grow before anyone sees it. To make maintenance actionable, keep a simple home checklist, inspect visible systems each season, replace filters as recommended, and schedule professional checks for electrical, heating, cooling, plumbing, and roofing systems. Save repair records and note when each task was completed, so you can spot patterns and plan costs instead of being surprised. One common mistake is waiting for a leak, strange smell, or loud noise before taking action, so treat those signs as early warnings and arrange an inspection quickly. Another mistake is doing every repair yourself, especially with electricity, gas, roofs, or major plumbing, so use a qualified professional when the work could cause injury or greater damage. Some homeowners also focus only on visible areas, but checking attics, crawl spaces, shutoff valves, and drainage paths can reveal problems sooner. Include those places in your routine. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.